In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Discovery Plus subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main screen. Step 2. Highlight Discovery Plus channel. Using the arrow keys, navigate to the Discovery Plus channel, but do not open it. Step 3. Open the options menu. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the options menu. Step 4. Manage subscription. Select Manage subscription from the menu. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Select Cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation. Step 6. An alternative method is to use Roku's website. Log into my.roku.com on a web browser. Navigate to Manage your subscriptions and then find Discovery Plus and click Unsubscribe to cancel. Step 7. Confirmation and access. You will retain access to Discovery Plus until the end of your current billing cycle. Check your email for confirmation emails. Now I have some tips and notes for you. If you don't see Manage Subscription option on the Roku website, your subscription may be billed through Discovery Plus directly or through another platform. You have to cancel it through that platform then. Cancellation only stops recurring billing. The app remains installed unless removed. Contact Roku or Discovery Plus support if you experience any issues. And that is how you cancel your Discovery Plus subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.